हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू इन क्रैक साइको इंस्टीट्यूट। क्रैक साइको इंस्टीट्यूट में आप सभी लोगों का स्वागत है। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट नम्मा मेट्रो बैंगलोर मेट्रो रेल कॉर्पोरेशन लिमिटेड स्टेशन कंट्रोलर ट्रेन ऑपरेटर साइकोमेट्रिक टेस्ट ऑनलाइन कोर्स, राइट? As you can see on your screen, in this course you will get live classes, test series with unlimited attempt in English medium by the faculty of Crack Psycho Institute, RAJ SIR. 13 years and above experience with the highest success rate. Yes, we are talking about the psychometric test, which is taken by RDSO Research Design and Standard Organization and Namma Metro. This is the first time when the psychometric test to be done. For admission, you must call 8826901833. Please watch this video till and if you are interested for psychometric test preparation. So let's see what's in this video. First of all, welcomes all of you. Here is a big announcement to all of you on the occasion of Deepavali. Happy Deepavali! Crack Psycho Institute SCTO online course for the GMRC and BMRCL Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation Limited. You will get 500 rupees flat discount. Just you have to apply CRACK 500. Yes, crack 500. Apply this coupon code and you will get the 500 rupees off on the amount of 2500. You will get 500 rupees off flat. So this course will be up to 2000 rupees only, and in this test series you will get free test series with unlimited attempt from Crack Psycho Institute. So let's go to further on this video. Today what we want to say that at present our live classes is going on, in which we are conducting Gujarat Metro Rail Corporation SCTO plus station controller train operator psychometric test for Namma Metro combined classes. You can join and enjoy the learning, happy learning in the easiest way, in the trick way method. If you are new right now, if you are new on our channel, so please join our WhatsApp channel, Telegram channel, YouTube. Please subscribe the YouTube channel and bell the notification bell icon, and you must download the Crack Psycho Institute mobile app for the further notification. Our number is 8826901833. So let's move ahead. uh, there must be some question in your mind regarding this online course. So first of all, let's clear all your doubt. What is in this online course? In this live online course, you will get live classes till your examination, till your exam, right? You will get test series with unlimited attempt, as I said earlier, and the complete guidance by the faculty raster of 13-year experience, 13-year and plus experience, especially trick based preparation to get 100% accuracy, right? Number two question in your mind: does this course design as per the Metro Psycho pattern? And answer is yes, as per the RDSO guidelines. RDSO is basically Research Design and Standard Organization, which has quarters in Lucknow, and RDSO is also conduct the psychometric test for the ASM, ALP, and different kind of metro, even in RRTS and CRTC also. Now the third question is, what kind of language, yani medium of course, which language will be used in live classes? So definitely the first priority is English, followed by the Hindi, as I told, GMRC and NMRCL, right? Both combined batch is presently going on, and we are going to teach in English as well as Hindi. When the course will be conducted for NMRC student, the complete course will be in English only, right? Come to the next question. Next question is, does the recorded lectures will be available if miss the live classes? Many of you students are presently working somewhere else, right? So there is a high chance you can miss the live classes. So definitely answer will be yes, video will be uploaded on app, our mobile app Crack Psycho Institute, You can download from Play Store. If you are a iOS user, then you must download first Class Plus app, CLASSPLUS, Class Plus app on your iOS system, and you have to put org code, which is KHUSHII, right? KHUSHII. So see, then you will have all access to these course. Here, one more important thing I would like to add in this question: you will have access of test series on your laptop or PC by using webweb.classplusapp.com and followed by the org code khushi and verify your OTP, and you will be able to give your test on your laptop. Video will be played only on mobile app, so you should must know before joining the course. Now there is a big question: how to prepare your psychometric test, right? So first of all, you must know about the syllabus of the psychometric test. So in this video I am going to tell you about the syllabus of the psychometric test as per the RDSO guidelines. So very authentic. Now the second part is guidance. If you are preparing for psychometric test only on the basis of test series, so then I must say there is a very less chance of success rate, hardly 10 to 15% chance of success rate through the test series. So you must join our complete course, in which you will get live classes, you will get test series, and you will get individual guidance as per your convenience to be a suitable candidate in psychometric test. Then after come to the next point, that is practice is more important. If you have all both things but you do not do practice, then it will be very harmful to you. So you must do practice, and our test series is with unlimited attempts, so you don't have to any restriction on attempts and anything else. Understand? Now move to the further point. So syllabus of syllabus of psychometric test for either Gujarat Metro or Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation Limited. There are two part of psychometric test syllabus. First half will be memory test, and there is a high chance that track memory test will come. Second one is intelligence test, which is known as figure formation test. Third one is concentration test. This test is also known as uh, observation test. Fourth test is field independence test. This test is also known as embedded figure test. And fifth one is personality test. This test is also known as vision test, right? And the second half will be reaction time test. This is known as machine test, and this test will be conducted on specialized software by RDSO team. It will be conducted individually and local level, and all these tests will be conducted. So let's check the proper RDSO guideline. Before we going to go to RDSO guidelines and syllabus, you must know about few things, that the personality test is the most important and crucial test for the psychometric test, because there are total number of 6 tests, right? But there are 70 score where you have to get 42 and above marks in each test battery. Why personality test is most important? Because personality test has two separate T score, that is known as G and QT score, and remaining part have the single T score. So that's why there are 7 T score, and personality test has very big importance just because of this kind of feathers. One most important thing I would like to say: RAJ sir is the personality test expert. You can verify it from our Google page. You can search Crack Psycho Institute and go to the review page, and you will have to know about how much experience RAJ sir in this field and how the students feedback, right? Come to the next point. Here's something you must know about it, that as you can see, let's make it little zoom. So first of all, check it, this one: guidelines for candidates appearing for psychological aptitude test organized by Metro Rail in CBT mode. CBT mode is computer based test, right? How can test help you? They will help you to show where your strength lies. Means there are total 6 tests, and in this test, by giving this test, you will each candidates will have to know where his strength lies. In which test your T score is 42 and above, it means your strength is high. And if suppose you get below the 42 and marks, then your strength is down, right? Second one is they have been chosen because the skill they involve are useful in job. Suppose you get T score 42 and above in all 6 batteries, that means that they have selected you, and your skills are very useful for the examination, because the psychometric test is normally applicable for the safety category employee. Safety category employee, that is SC and TO, train operator. So this is very useful. These tests are carefully designed to say so that they are fair to all candidates. Basically, each candidates have unique uh, capabilities, so uh, they cannot be good in all type of tests. Suppose memory test, concentration test, intelligence test, personality test, or reaction time test, right? Even in embedded figure test, they cannot be master in all type of tests. So these tests are carefully designed just because to keeping in mind that each and every student can have some potential, so it will be fair to all candidates. Not taking tests will help you in adjusting the job. So definitely, if you are very good in a personality test, definitely then you will be very a suitable candidate for this job profile. Now the second part of this instruction says how can tests help us. This is called about RDSO, or you can say Namma Metro. So we get the right sort of people to do the specific job. As I told, the this post is for the safety category. So for the to ensuring the safety, there are few skills required, and as per the metro psychometric test, there are 6 battery tests. So if all candidates, yeah, selected, if the candidate is selected in all 6 battery, they get T score 42 and above, definitely that means they are the right people for the specific job, because they are suitable in all type of batteries. Not that gives us unbiased assessment of your strength and limitation. So basically some positive sides and some negative sides of your personality. People who do well on the test usually do well in the job itself. What does it means if the candidate did well in the personality test, right? In the personality test, uh, it shows that when he will be performing duty as a station controller, they will deal the public very empathetically, and they will because station controller will be the frontline staff of or face frontline face of the their organization, like Namma Metro or Gujarat Metro. So he will be best suitable candidate, right? Now move to the next part. This is very important. What sort of aptitude tests will have to take? There are total of 5 tests in the aptitude test. You are required to give answer by clicking mouse. So basically your test will be on computer based test. It means CBT. About 4, 5 or 6 alternative options. So there will be 4 option there will be 5 options and there will be maximum 6 options. You must know about this. In different kind of tests, different type of things you will face. Apart from this reaction time test, there are special tests that is known as reaction time test, which I told this is machine test, right, on a special software, will be taken separately, in which separately on your special software, that is special software, in which your reaction time will be measured with the help of software through computer. Your task will be to respond to some colored light as quickly and accurately as you can by pressing the same some buttons. So there will be like a computer on your screen, and there will be a signal 1 2 3 and 4, and there will be keyboard, right, and there are some button like red button, blue button, yellow button, and green mark button, and the neutral button, and you have to press red, yellow, green, and blue. They will be, these color are come in random process, and you have to press the exact color with quickly and accurately. These two words must be known. Quickly respond to reaction time test and accurately respond to accuracy. In other words, it will be known as safety, to ensure the safety. This is very important that in the psychometric test, RDSO itself declared that the accuracy must be 100% for the reaction time test. Understand? So here is some topic according to the RDSO guidelines. First one is intelligence test, which is known as figure formation test. Second one is memory test. Visually, in a metro track memory test comes. Second one is concentration test. In concentration test, basically 4 into 4 symmetric test comes on, that is known as odd one out. Fifth test is personality test, where total 36 number of questions in 15 minutes you have to answer, and there are 3 options. Field independence test, that is also known as embedded figure test, where 25 questions and 10 to 50 minutes approximately they gives. In the figure formation test, 25 question, 10 minutes they give, and memory test there are 24 question and they separately give 10 to 12 minutes. And reaction time test, this tests basically of 60 to 70 seconds only. Keep in your mind, just note down, its test will be 60 to 70 seconds only, and the color will appear hardly to 17 to 25 times only. So this is not a big task. If you are very attentive, you must be do very good. And for this, you must join RAJ SIR Crack Psycho Institute to get your sure selection, right? RAJ SIR has 13-14 years plus experience and the highest success rate of 70 to 80%. That is highest in India from any platform, right? So if you are interested to there are some sample questions you can find out, then after I will tell you remaining things. So as you can see, this is the test of figure formation or intelligence test, where there are some scattered parts, and what figure will be formed when we unite all 3 parts, and what will be the right answer. So suppose as look at the figure in this box at left hand corner, which is this is X figure. There are 3 parts in it, but in real examination it will be 7 to 8 parts. Now look at 5 figures in each boxes, 1 2 3 4 and 5. This is the 5 option. You are to decide which figure shows how these parts can be fit together. Let us first look figure 1 to figure 5. Does look as the part in the left hand corner box would when fitted together. You are required to give answer by clicking the mouse. So basically this will be on CBT computer based test. तो इसको अकॉर्डिंगली आपको इसको देख करके आंसर देखना पड़ेगा. इफ़ यू लुक एट द फिगर, the option 5 will be the best matches figure form. So right answer will be 5. Understand? These are the sample questions you will have. This is memory test. In this memory test, you can find out a railway track, and there are some points which is basically stations, and these are the three digit, three letter words which is basically a code of a station. You have to find out the in which point station exists and which station exists. In this test you have 12 plus 12 question, and you will have 3 plus 3 and 3 plus 3 minutes. 3 minutes for memorize and 3 minutes for answer, and 3 minutes for memorize and 3 minutes for answer. It will be part A and it will be part B, right? And you have to give the answers accordingly, right? Come to the next question. This question is concentration test. I'm just giving you an example and overview of which type of questions are coming in the examination. There are total A, B, C, D, E, F, total 6 questions are there, and you have to find out which options are different. As you can see, if you saw to the row 1, there are pentagon, circle and 2 square. First row is clear, pentagon, circle and 2 square. If you go compare to the B, row 2, 2 triangle, square and triangle, same is in the B. In the third row you can see circle, triangle, square and pentagon, and you can see the both this triangle and this pentagon, both are different. You have to verify from the another figure, and here is the two triangle. It means if the two figures are same and one is different, definitely the right answer will be B. You don't need to go through the all options to find out the answer. Any single error, remember, any single error will be your answer. It is as simple. But this is a very simple test, because in a 5 to 6 minutes, suppose in a 6 minute you have to uh, answer 30 questions, so in 1 minute you have to answer 5 questions. So it's not a easy task. Definitely this test needs a lot practice, a lot practice. Definitely, I must say, very very important. If you join our courses, I will provide you tricks and tips how to solve these questions with accuracy and with attempt 100%, right? Now move to the next question. This is our fourth test, which is known as personality test. In this test, here are some instructions from the RDSO. There are some statements. Let it zoom it now. Okay, you can see there are some statements in this test to see what attitudes and interests you have. There are two parts in attitudes and interests you have. There are no right, very very important point. There are no right or no wrong answers, because everyone has the right to put his own views. First you have to, and here are some example. Let's see what example is this. Okay, there is a question, and I would like, if all of you who are watching on YouTube, right, give your correct answer of question number 1 and question number 2 of personality test, and I will reply the right answer with the correct logic. The question is, I like to watch team games. There are different kind of games, like individual games and team games, and here is they are talking about, I would like to watch team game. Option A is yes, B occasionally, and C is no. And secondly, the second question, I prefer people who are reserved, in between, and make friends quickly, right? uh this I would like to keep in your notice that very very important point. And as we go through the rest 5 test, RDSO provides answer, that means correct answer of example question, but not provided in personality test. Why? As RDSO itself says, there is a no right and no wrong answer. You can understand it, but how they check suitability? How do they check suitability? And especially personality has two separate T score, that is G and Q, right? And in both tests you have to, in both T score you have to score 42 and above, 42 and above. That is very very important. So that's why personality test is very very important. So I definitely like, you must give the correct answer. I am giving you the time of 1 minute to give your answer. Your time starts now. Here is a timer of 1 minute, and within a 1 minute you have to give the answer of all two questions. Hurry up guys, give your correct answer. I like to watch team games, yes, occasionally no. And question number 2, I prefer people who are reserved, are in between, and make friends quickly. Okay guys, time up. Now I am explaining the right answer of all two questions. Suppose if you are a person who like, there are three possibility. If you like the team game, it means you are a social person, right? You are a social person and you like get together, right? If you say occasionally you like team game, it means you are individual plus social. And if you say no, it means you are reserved person. Okay, now let's compare with the question number 2. I prefer people who are, right? So in this question I like to, so this question ask about you, right? But in this question I like prefer who, I like prefer who, and this question they ask about others, right? But the basic concept is it that what we are, we like that. Suppose I am a cool person, I like friend who are also cool, right? So this is the basic concept. So if you say in question number 1 answer is C, reserved, right? C, no. And your second option, second question, you give answer make friends quickly, it means you are very very social person. Then your answer will be contradictory. right? Your answer will be contradictory, and it shows you are a dual personality, right? Dual personality, and it shows you are not a honest person. And as you know, honesty is the best policy. So there must be uniformity in your answers. Did you get my point? So this is the very crucial thing. So if you want to take our online course, you will have personality test, concept plus tricks plus how to choose best answer, right? This is a very important and crucial role. Maximum intelligent candidates get failed in personality tests itself. They are very high IQ but very low EQ in respect of other tests. So this is a very important test. Let's check what RDSO says about this test. So when you answer, keep these 4 points in your mind, right? So this is as per RDSO, not as per your RAJ SIR. I will say what will keep you to being a suitable candidate in your exam. Here I am just reading in behalf of you. When you answer, keep you these 4 points in your mind. Give your first natural answer as it is comes to you. We try not to fall back on middle uncertain answer except when the answer at the either end is really impossible for you. And point number 3, be sure not to skip anything but answer every statement somehow. This is talking about attempt of question. Number 4, answer as honestly as possible and what is true of you. Do not merely mark what seems its right things to say. Understand? These are the most important thing, and all these are very rare. Very rare. Until you get a proper guidance, you cannot crack the psychometric test, especially in the personality test, right? And the fifth test is, you must know the last test. This test is embedded figure test, or this test is known as field independence test. This test assists your ability to find a simple figure hidden in a complex pattern. This is the basic crux. Simple figure is hidden in the complex pattern. In this test, you will be shown a simple figure below which 5 complex figures. So there are 5 options will be, namely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are given. Out of 5 complex figure, your task is to find out one in which simple forms is hidden, right? Please remember that the shape, size and direction of the simple form is exactly the same in complex figure. You have to give answer by clipping the mouse. Again, is the CBT test. I just want to remind you one thing. Before the online CBT, this test was conducted on paper and pencil mode, where you have to draw the figure. Just suppose there are a figure like this, right? And you have to find out the figure this from the different kind of figure. So you have to just sketch, draw the pencil and draw the figure like this, that this figure is hidden in this point. So basically this kind of question were asked earlier, but not in the present mode where the CBT is given. As you can see in this question, this shape is in which part of the figure. So you have to find out the correct answer, like this figure is hidden in this part or not. You have to do on a very on a macro level. You have to check at micro level to get accurate answer. right? And if you join our classes, I will teach you the tricks and how to choose correct answer, right? Now move to the ahead of this point. As I told before, the reaction time test or machine test, reaction time test will be taken separately, in which your reaction time will be measured with the help of software through computer. Your task will be respond to some colored light as quickly as accurately as you can by pressing the sum button. I have already discussed about this. So these are the important topics. There are some things which RDSO wants and suggests that how to get better score. What can you do to get better scores before the session? Means now when the exam was not started before the session, or it means it's the last night of exam. Don't stay up all night. Make sure you get a good night sleep. Means a healthy night will keep your mind healthy, right? So if your mind is healthy, then your efficiency will be very up in the examination day. Give yourself plenty of time to reach the examination center so that you don't have to rush. So basically, if you rush and if you don't manage your time or don't go before, if you did not reach to your examination center with ample of time before, then you will be in hurry. And if you will be in hurry, that means there is a high chance that your BP will be goes up, your nervousness will be goes up, and it will also down your efficiency. And at the session, read the instruction very carefully. This is very important. Do exactly as you told. Whatever given the instruction, you have to follow the same. Think about each question before answering. So you have to think, you just not make like tukka type answer, which is blunder for anyone. Point number 4, work quickly and accurately, as most tests have short time limits. As different type of tests have limited times, to have you have to respond quickly and accurately. So now question is how you will work quickly. So for work quickly, you have to do a lot of practice. What? A lot of practice you have to do. And second one is accurately. For accurately, you must know tricks and tips as well as concept, especially in personality test, I must say. So then after you can get these 4 point number 4 fulfill as per RDSO, work quickly and accurately and as per the time management, and this point 4 needs a proper guidance. I must say again, join Crack Psycho Institute. Point number 5 is don't waste time on difficult questions. This is our AAA theory. And question number 6, point number 6, do not try to copy the answer of your neighbors at his question. So this is not possible basically in CBT mode, because they have all have a separate cabin. So I don't think this is a big major issue. It was earlier happened when the OMR based question answer was done on the same bench. At least 2 to 3 students were sitting and they can see and each other questions, right? So it is not possible. So these are the 6 important things which RDSO itself expect from the students, right? Here you must see the achievement of Crack Psycho Institute. This is the recent achievement in 2020 GMRC 1.0, our successful candidates. And again you can see GMRC in the 2023 batch, where these posts are created just because the shortfall of the uh, candidates in the psychometric test, because maximum student did not pass the psychometric test, where our student did very well and the 70 to 80% success rate from our both batches. Now come to the next. This is Namma Metro Pune, right? You are from Karnataka Namma Metro or either Gujarat Metro. In between Namma Metro Pune in 2012, you can see here what success ratio in online course out of 17. 47% is the success ratio, and out of 25 20 in a test series only 8% of the success ratio. So that's why I always urge or advise student to buy our complete online course, where you will have the live classes, test series and other thing, irrespective of test series, where you have no guidance, only you have to give the question and answer, right? Now come to the our NCRTC student, where they have run this is a very big achievement, you can see. And it's a UPMRC, first time in India in metro examination, CBAT or CBT test, computer based aptitude test, was conducted, and our success test was in present of you all are the selected candidates, right? So this is from the Crack Psycho Institute. Hope all of you understand. This is the our 2022 online class batch, TFCCIL Executive OPBD Psycho Crackers, highest 80% success rate. Now this is Konkan Railway Psychometric Test, recently happened in 2013, 70% and above success rate. Here you can say 70% and above success rate. So again, I must say all of you, this is the Deepavali offer, valid only for 9 November 2023. Apply the coupon code crack 500 and get 500 discount on your desired course easily, right? Now the question is how to build the online course. Online course you can build, you can just download the Crack Psycho Institute mobile app and go to the store section and choose your perfectly course, whichever you want, GMRC or Namma Metro, and purchase it. You can just WhatsApp on 8826901833, or you will have the link of course in this video's description box, and you can buy it from that also, right? So that's it guys, just follow up on Crack Psycho Institute in this number, WhatsApp, Telegram, and download the mobile app Crack Psycho Institute, and also subscribe the YouTube channel and press the bell icon for important updates. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. Good night. Take care.